Gotcha. All right, we're doing our grilling outside today in the wonderful nighttime. Spooky, grilling in the dark. So, we're gonna go inside and we're gonna put some seasonings on our steak. We'll come back out and fire up the grill. First, we have to season our meat. We're going with a nice seasonal blend of Walmart's Great Value garlic powder, followed by Steak 'n Shake's own seasoning. So you just want to put on a nice little dash of each. There's a little, right there like that. And now for this one, you have two options. You can use a spoon, or you get the three little holes. We're going to go with the three little holes. And there you have it. We're going to do that with the rest of our wonderful steaks provided by Hy-Vee. Not provided, we paid for them. But we're going to get outside and start grilling again. All right, we got our seasoning done inside. Now we're ready to throw them onto the grill. So, look at these bad boys. Now I am using my hand. Did wash it first. Always a good thing. Don't want to get E. coli or something. And we're off. So now, can we get a close-up in here on the... So as you can see, it's kind of hard to see. So I got a few tricks for that. Come over. So my first one is you pick up one of these little lantern guys, put it on any of your hats. Now ours happens to have a low beam and a high beam. Check this out. Wow, you can really see that. You can even see all the seasonings we put on earlier, like the one that we got from Steak 'n Shake. So, we're gonna put on our next two steaks. Keep this bad boy on so we can see. Ooh, what a good one. Okay. Now, that's still a little hard to see. Luckily, we got this guy. Oh, yes. Now you can see it. What's nice is even got a little lock on there. It's got a little thing here. I wonder if I could even... Nope. So anyways, you can use this for just about anything. You got this going on so you can check out where are your utensils. I don't know. Good thing I got this on. Ah, here they are. Ready to keep on cooking here. So now, if you're thinking you're getting close to ready to flip, shine on, put on your light here. Nope. Nope. There it is. And just take a little peek. A little peek underneath. Oh, getting some scorch marks, but not quite yet. Gonna let it go for a little longer. So we'll check back in a minute. All right, we're gonna check on these steaks, see how they're doing. What was that? All right, we're gonna check on these steaks here. Yeah. A little longer. We'll check back in another minute. All right, we're back. I think they're just about ready to be flipped. Let's find out. Okay, let's turn our light on here. I can't see anything without my glasses. Oh, that's better. Well, they're looking pretty good. Let's check in on it. See if we can get a close-up here. Oh, that's looking good. That's looking real good. Flip them over now. Just like that. Oh yeah, we're getting there. Making some progress here. Oh yeah, oh yeah. It's getting a little bit windy, so what you gotta do when it's windy is close the lid. Oh, that one's looking, look at that one. Get a nice close-up of that one. That's looking good. Wait, hold it on there. Let's make sure we get our spotlight here. Thank you. Thank you. Check that out. Wow. Boy, that looks tasty. Come here. All right, so we're gonna keep on letting these things cook, and we'll keep checking in. So go to a quick commercial break. right, we're gonna check in one more time, see where these things are at. Still can't see. No. Oh yeah, that's good. Put this in here too. And see how this one's getting a little burnt. We had to turn down the flame a little bit already. Get a little too cooked. That's looking good. So if you notice in this one, it's getting brown already because it's cooking faster. That one's originally all the way back there, so we flipped them around here. Now come over here. See how that's still a little pink? You got a little bit of the juice coming in, out. So that's still got some cooking to do. So we turned down the flames here. We're looking good. So next time that we open this thing up, we're going to cut into them. You know, we're going to cut into these bad boys and girls. Equal opportunity. They could be ready, might not be. We'll find out next time. Check in. All right, we're going to check in one more time. See how this is going. I can't see it. Ah, there it is. That's looking good. Where's that? Wow. Oh, these are smelling good. That's smelling good. So now we're going to take a look at these. Can I get my spotlight? Now that I do. Thank you. Put the lock on it. What the? That's looking pretty interesting over there. Let's see how we're doing down here. Oh, it's looking pretty good. It's looking good. Still a little raw on this one. I'm gonna flip them over one more time. See what we got going on here. Such a big steak. Oh no. Alright, there we go. Looking okay. This one's looking real good here. Alright, now, so you kind of got a few options with steak. Steak's one of those few foods you have options of how you want it done. There's like red, raw. Some people from my home state like that, Wisconsin. Other people, most normal people, like well, perhaps medium, well. Other people like well done, but not in the sense of a good job. Well done as in it's done. So we're gonna check and see where we're at. Can I get my knife, please? Thank you, Evan. Now we're just gonna do a little incision here. This is hard with one hand. Alright, and let's, again, hard with one hand. Thank you. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the other hand though. Oh dear. Peel that back just a little bit. Well, that's looking good. That one's looking almost done. Getting there. But I've been told the person we're cooking this particular steak for likes it well done, so we're gonna let it go for a while. Let's check in on, I believe this is my steak. See what we got going on here. Make the incision. And we'll pull it apart here. See what we got going on inside of this one. A lot of juice still flowing around in here. Should have cut with the grain, if you will. Cut against it that time. Alright, that's still got a little ways to go. I would say that's hanging around rare. Oh, we're going to go with the grain, if you will. Not bad. Hanging around medium rare. Getting into the medium zone. So we're going to pop the hood back down and come back at it one more time. Alright, one more time we're going to check in. One of them's almost done. The one that's supposed to be well is almost done. This is kind of hard to see. I don't know how I'm going to do this. I don't know if I can... What? Oh, there we go. Okay. Yeah, here we go. This is the one that's well done. Again, not good job. Let's see where that incision was. That's looking real good. Wow. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Gonna let that one go for just a minute. Let's check in back here. What do we got going on? Oh, looking good. Looking good. See that? See that? That's good. That's good. Well, flip it over. That's looking real nice. See, this guy's still pretty juicy. Which way did I cut? Oh, there it is. See, I went against the grain with this one. Interesting. Flip her over again. Let me get the light like back here. Shine it right back there. Oh, that's looking nice. We're getting there. This fella. Let's see what we got going on. I'm gonna say just a couple more minutes. We're almost done here. Coming in on the home stretch, and we'll be eating in no time. All right, we're in the home stretch. Here we go. Speaking of home stretches, Brewers just won their first game in the wild card. Beat out them Rockies. All right, here we go again. Remember the light this time. Oh, look at that. That is getting well done. That is well done. That time, I mean, good job. Let's check in back here. That's looking real nice. Looking real good. Yep. That's our friend Evans, who's behind the camera, helping me out in this eerie DeKalb night. Still don't know what that sound was earlier. Trying to figure that out. A little bit of wombat. Alright. And we are done. And now, if you zoom in here, I'll show you something. This is a gas grill, not charcoal. This is Evans grill. Preferably, you would have a Weber grill with Kingsford charcoal. Fortunately, we have Evans cheap grill made by some off-brand company, Grill Master. That's mine. Wow. Anyways, some off-brand company making this for us. And if you look in here, instead of charcoal, we have cheap unleaded fuel. I don't know. We'll see how it tastes. But use Kingsford charcoal. All right, we're gonna go inside and eat these boys and girls. All right, we're inside from the grill, and we're looking at how these things are turning out, and it's looking pretty good, I gotta say. So we're gonna be pairing these up with this fine wine, also acquired from Hy-Vee. Just gotta open it. There we go. That's how you do it. That's how you do that. Let me get these out of the way for a second here. And pull. Oh. Alright. Ow. That's fine. Alright, here we go. Here's our meal. So tune in next time, and we'll be making some tacos on the grill. We'll be doing some different, like a quesadilla as well. We'll be doing some beef inside. We'll be doing some sirloin tips outside for the quesadillas. We're doing sirloin in them. That's really nice. So check in next time. I'm Grilling with Eric.